channel, my name is Marek, as you already know, and today I have this box right here. It's quite heavy, right? So I think it has something like 5 kilos, and it's really, really big. Yeah, look at that. It's amazing how big this model can be. And it's also amazing how much I paid for this one. Yeah? The original price, believe it or not, is like 450 euro, which is something like maybe $500 to $600. And I paid in an auction something like 200 euro, yeah? Which is more, or no, it's less than a half of the original price, just because I won this auction, which was there on eBay just for one day. And I always wanted to have this model because it's so amazing, big, so detailed. And today, believe it or not, I will review this model and tell you all the details, and I will show you how it really looks. Thank you. Okay, so this product is actually so big that I need some extra space. I need a table, and this extra table will help me because this is the first model in 1:18 scale which I am reviewing, yeah? And it's Duesenberg model SJ Tourer. It's orange and black color by Premium ClassiXXs, and I'm really excited. Okay, I will not lie to you, I'm so excited. And actually the content, wow, it's so big, and I need to be goddamn careful not to break anything. It would be a disaster, yeah, because this is the most expensive model in my collection at the moment, so I really want to be super careful. Wow. Yeah, almost done. Okay. So the box is out. Just for you to show you here the model, we have a nice side view here on the box, and on the other side we have some nice pictures. Yeah, so this is the interior from the rear, the side view again, and one more from the front. As again, I would only tell you, this is not recommended for anybody who is 14 years old or younger, okay? So please make sure that you have appropriate age for this model, and if not, then just skip buying this, okay? It's not for you if you are a child. Okay, and now what we have here is some kind of manual with some kind of steps there, what to do or what not to do, and I'm already a little bit careful. I want to be careful. Okay, so please do not assemble the roof parts from above. Please assemble the roof parts from behind. Which means we should not stick it here from above, but from the rear, okay? That's a good hint. Thank you for that. And I think what we have here is the roof. Yeah, so we have the roof here and also some other parts. Wow, what is this? I don't know, some kind of towel. We will see later. Okay, now I will somehow remove the tape here so that we can finally see it. And where should I start? Maybe here. I will start here, removing the tape. I will just cut it, okay? I think this is the easiest way how to do that. And with my tool, I should be able to do that quite fast. Okay, one side is done. Now the other side. And it really looks like it's factory sealed, that nobody ever opened this before. I hope so, because I'm the first owner. It was sold as brand new. As I told you, I paid 200 euro. And now, let me for the first time uncover this beauty, okay? So, what do we have here? We have a paper we have another, let's say, I don't know what this is, styrofoam. Ah, I almost forget. Are there any screws? Yes, there are many screws. Okay, so it will be even more complicated than I thought. Wow, the car. Incredible. I already saw the front of the car. This is incredible. Now, what would be the best way how to do this? How to remove the screws, okay? So let's check it here. How many we have? We have 4. Okay, it's still okay. I need to use my electric screwdriver for that. Okay, I'm back after a short pause and here we go now. I don't know, I should somehow probably hold the model before I do this. I don't know what is the safest way. Okay. Let me try this now. The screws are very long. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one is a little bit stuck. Maybe a little bit more. It's somehow more difficult than I thought. Let me do it this way. Okay guys, it's done now, and let me now finally take it out of the box, okay? And I don't know where to hold it. Oh, it's so heavy, really super heavy, super heavy. But look at that. Oh, we have, it looks like we have many broken parts. Look at that. Oh, I think I will need to repair a lot of them. Yeah, so wow, look at it. Everything is broken. Yeah, because it's so big and I don't know, it's super sensitive. Yeah, and also we have some small pieces here. I already see it here. It will be part of the roof. And I will then later play with the roof as well. And now it only, oh, wow. This is completely destroyed, guys. Completely destroyed. Look at that. Oh, completely destroyed. Oh no, look at that. So I believe now there will be a lot of work, yeah, so, oh gosh. So, I mean now, I think the second part of this video I will make it a little bit later in time, because I don't want to review the model right now when it's in this state. Yeah, it's Look at that, all those pieces which are apart. For example, this here. Oh God. So, look at that, how broken it can be, yeah? So, for example, here, now I know what is this small part here. So, this actually belongs here, yeah? So, some of them will be a quick fix, some of them will take a little bit longer. But okay, just out of curiosity, I think you want to know already some details, yeah? And my review video will be done maybe a month, maybe 2 months from now, because it will take me a lot of time. And it's so heavy. I'm not wondering that it's all broken. Look at that. For example, here, this is all broken. Wow, I can't even hold it with only one hand. It's so heavy, and I should do some heavy lifting. So before you buy this model, you should do some heavy lifting, yeah, because it's so heavy. And many parts are now broken, but I will fix it, don't worry. Just as a first view here for you, because I think you deserve to already know, yeah. 2 months waiting before I do the review, it's, I think, too much. So just now enjoy some first views, and later what I'm also planning is to buy some 1 to 12 figures which I will put there, but they're also expensive. Like one figure in this scale with all the clothes, it's like $150, and of course it will take also 2 additional months before I receive them. So once I have everything completed, maybe also some diorama, I will make the review, but now only enjoy what we have now on the table and with all the broken pieces. And definitely I will try to fix this, and I will use some super glue for that. Look at this bumper here, it's also broken. And I don't think it's because how I removed it out of the box. I think, for example, those pieces definitely were broken during the transport, and I now need to pay or dedicate some time to fix this. So, okay, thank you for watching, and you will see the rest of the video next time, maybe 2 months from now. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.